the struggle to get a vlog running. As you may have seen from the last videos, I'm not really consistently posting the videos that I would like in order to share with all of you the journey that we're taking and in order for you to be able to copy and learn from it. So I have been thinking over the weekend on how to do that, and it hit me. At the end, I need to strive for a little bit more efficiency while still keeping the content as real as possible and as valuable as possible. Now, the thing that when I think back, what takes me the most time and what hinders me the most on actually creating a video is first of all the editing. So I eliminated that right from the get-go because I decided to have a vlog, and that means there is zero editing. What I'm talking about is what I'm talking about, and that's it. So no cutting involved and so on. So that's good. Now, in the past, I tried to design thumbnails for the videos, and a lot of people say like you have to have the right thumbnails, and I do agree with it. If you look at all the big YouTubers at the split testing and everything, it seems the thumbnail is one of the very deciding factors. That's one thing. The other thing are like the keywords, the descriptions, the hashtags, and so on. So while I'm okay with writing about like what the video is about, because I can do that, you can use certain AI tools, and so you're gonna get used to that process, and that rather takes a very small number of minutes in actually to do it. But thumbnails, they do take, at least for me, a lot of time, because I'm not using an advanced AI tool, and I haven't been willing to spend the money on it. That's the point. It's not about do I want to spend the money, but I haven't been willing to do it. So I thought I'm going to standardize the YouTube thumbnail, and this is like what I want to share with you guys on that today's video is, well, as I'm in the beginning and as I'm trying to get more and more consistent, the thing is you have to sometimes cut corners, because I'm not a YouTuber, I'm not a coach, and these videos are not made for marketing purposes. It's simply a vlog documenting on what engineering companies go through, what small business owners go through, and how the days are basically going, what the struggles are, and so on. So with that said, I think everybody's going to benefit if I gonna just shorten the process and get more videos out, so you will see hopefully more videos, and that's my commitment to you guys as well. They might be shorter, they might be longer, depending on what happens on the day, but they will have a YouTube thumbnail, each and every one representing them, and it will be probably something that counts up from 1 towards the episode we are on. And that's gonna be it. So I definitely encourage you, if you are thinking about that, just start doing it. It's like, I don't care necessarily about the background. I don't care what time of the day I'm putting it out there, but I care that I do put it out there, because I think there are far too few people that try to do something, and there are a lot of people that try to take them down. So let's change that ratio with content creation. Thanks guys, see you soon.